Welcome to this video on designing a transdisciplinary unit of inquiry. This approach is to engage students to explore the central idea through multi subjects, fostering deep understanding and engagement. Here are a few steps involved. Step number one: select transdisciplinary theme. Choose one of the six themes, ensuring it addresses human commonalities and is globally significant. The second step is to define the central idea. Create a conceptual statement that summarizes the inquiry. Use two to three related concepts and a strong verb. Make sure it's universal, timeless, and broad. For example, systems interact and influence each other. The third step is to write the lines of inquiry. Develop two to three statements unpacking the central idea. Ensure they clarify the central idea, are connected yet distinctive, and encourage students' inquiry. For example, how do different systems work together? What happens when systems change? And how can we influence system for positive change? The fourth step is to identify the key concepts. Choose two to three key concepts to guide the inquiry. For example, causation, perspective. Align concepts with the central idea, lines of inquiry, and ensure that they promote critical and creative thinking. The fifth step is to map subject integration. Identify which subjects will contribute to the unit of inquiry. Look for authentic connection across subjects like science, mathematics, social studies, language, etc. For example, if your central idea is about system, you might integrate science, ecosystems, social studies, economic systems, language, persuasive writing about environmental issue, and math data analysis of population growth. Plan approaches to learning. Select specific approaches to learning, for example, communication research to develop during the unit of inquiry. Focus on the skills that support inquiry and lifelong learning. The seventh step is to link to the learner profile. Align the unit with relevant learner profile attributes like inquirer, thinker. Select attributes naturally ties to the content and the ATL focus. Eighth one is to design learning experiences. Create activities that build knowledge, skill, and conceptual understanding. Balance subject specific and transdisciplinary learning while encouraging creativity and critical thinking. The ninth most important step to include is students' voice. Incorporate students' interest and question during the unit of inquiry. Use brainstorming provocations, VTRs, or survey to capture their inputs. Plan your assessments, design formative and summative assessment to measure the understanding. Ensure assessments are varied, fair, and connected to the central idea, concepts, and skills. Document evidence of learning. Record learning outcomes and students' reflection. Use portfolio, journals, photos, videos, digital tools to showcase the progress and the result. Remember, in PYP, as much as the product is important, the process equally plays the important role. Next is reflect and adjust. After implementation, evaluate the unit effectiveness. Reflect on students' engagement, learning outcomes, balance across the subjects for continuous improvement. Check whether the unit gave the scope for collaboration, local and global connection, virtual connection with other schools for sharing understanding, field trip, Do you have resources? Are the learning outcomes selected in specific subject, scope, and sequence aligned with your central idea and the lines of inquiry? By following all these steps, you can create a rich and engaging transdisciplinary unit of inquiry that empowers students to become lifelong learners. Here are the few prompts which will help you to check on whether the selection of the transdisciplinary theme, the making of the central idea, the analyzing the line of inquiry is perfect for the particular grade or no. Which part of the transdisciplinary theme will the unit of inquiry focus on? You need to select those transdisciplinary themes descriptor. Does the central idea invite inquiry and support student conceptual understanding of transdisciplinary theme? We need to check this. What teacher question and provocation will inform the lines of inquiry? Clarify and develop understanding of the central idea. Define the scope of the inquiry and help the focus of learning and teaching. Do the key concepts focus the direction of inquiry and provide opportunities to make connection across and between beyond subjects? You also need to check, do the relevant related concepts provide a lens for conceptual understanding within the subject specific? What opportunities will there be to develop and demonstrate and reinforce the learner profile during the unit of inquiry? What authentic opportunities are there for students to develop and demonstrate approaches to learning? What opportunities are there for the students to build on prior understanding and to support potential students' initiative? If you keep all these things in mind while preparing your unit of inquiry, it will surely help you, and your students are going to enjoy the journey of learning and teaching. Thank you so much.